This is my truck first aid kit. I keep it on the back headrest of my truck. Up here I have a tourniquet on front for fast, easy take off, and I have an Israeli bandage and a mask. It's my Israeli bandage. You see, I can take it all off. So I can undo the strap, grab the handle, and rip it away from the back seat for fast access to take where I need to take my first aid kit. On the top, I have some shears, some scissors, and some tweezers. These are my big scissors. Cut through pants or belts, whatever you need to cut through. I also have this in case I need to clamp something down. My other scissors. And tweezers. Now I will open my first aid kit. There's a lot of stuff in here. I don't have everything you would need, but I have enough to get me through in case of emergency. This is what it looks like. This is for CPR. So I can take this out. If somebody's not breathing and they need to start breathing, I can give them CPR with this mask. And they won't throw up in my mouth. In here, I have a bunch of miscellaneous pills in case I get sick, if I get any allergies, if I need to sleep. I have Tums, aspirin, Tylenol, ibuprofen, all that in there. And here I have other tablets for making me in case I'm sick. I can take the pills and I have them with me at all times in case any emergencies happen. Anything happens, I can be ready for what I need. I have daytime and nighttime. And then these. I also have diarrhea to pill, anti-diarrhea pills, and so on. Here is my MPA. This is in case somebody needs to breathe. I can put this through their nostril so they can breathe. In here I have a roll of tape, a roll of the Band-Aid sticking stuff, and a marker. I'll put it all on a marker, save space, and then I can use it from there. This is anti-itch cream in case I get poison ivy or poison oak. This is my triple antibiotic in case there's a wound, I need to clean it up, keep it as sterile as possible. I also have a thermometer to check my temperature or somebody else's temperature. I also have little things to go on the side of it so I can use it and not get other people contaminated. This is my light to check pupils to see if anybody has a concussion. Just slide it down. It's not too bright, but it's bright enough to dilate the eyes, not blind them. These are compression bandages, like for your wrist or for your elbow or knee. This is for your knee. These are for the thermometer, so I can do the thermometer so I don't get other people sick with it if I need to do multiple people. I also have triangle bandages. These triangle bandages, I have 2 of them. They can be used for a number of things. In here, I have a bunch of gauze. and chest hyphens. There's my knee pack for my knee. I have a lot of bandages, lots of gauze. In case somebody gets a hole in their chest, in their lungs, I can seal it up so it still vents both ways, entry and exit wounds. So you just slap those on and they'll hopefully get you till you can get to the hospital. That's my pack with my tourniquet. On the side here, I have a bunch of band-aids. The band-aids are good in case somebody gets a little boo-boo or there's an incident. I have enough band-aids to cover me. I have all sizes of band-aids, lots of them. And of course, a bandana. This is everything in that little tiny pack. Everything that fits in there. It's not a total first aid kit, but it's enough that it's better than nothing. And it all fits in that little rip away bag, and it fits on the back seat of my truck. So I could just rip it away and go. This is what it looks like all together. I have my Israeli bandage and my tourniquet on the outside, and it clips with those carabiners on the back seat of my truck. Thank you, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.